So, I'm wondering what this tapping is going on. Look. It's a bird. Oh, and it stopped because it just came back. Look at it. I'll try not to walk up super close to it because it scared it away last time. What is going on? This is craziness. Why is there a bird throwing itself up against the window? Did you know you're crazy? You're crazy. No, you're crazy. Birds are crazy. I bet you it's like infected with some crazy, like, insane disease that makes you go nutso. It's the start of the zombie apocalypse, where all these crazy things happen. I want to see how close I can get to it. Scared him away. There he is. See him? He's up there, he's just chilling, just waiting. There's another one behind him too, if you can't see. They're sitting there like, I want to smash myself up against a window. I would really like to smash myself up against a window. So I called the CDC because the bird was throwing itself into the side of the house, and it turns out that it's some crazy mutation disease that they had to quarantine me off for. So we're all under quarantine now. Look at, no joke, it's all quarantined. You don't believe me? I'm really quarantined by the CDC every window. Isn't that crazy? Oh gosh. I'm locked in here. I'm so scared. So it turns out that that bird that was throwing itself up against the window was a government experiment with some mutated genes, and they quarantined off the whole house. So now we're locked in. Look at, I can't look at, this is the window. Can't get out. They blocked it. Even each room individually has been sealed off. There's no way, no escape for me to get out. I can't get out. I am so scared right now. I am so scared. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I don't get the throw myself up against a window disease. Hopefully that checks out okay. Right? I am free! I am free! Everything checked out alright, I'm good. They got the bird. But I was told not to leak this.